Okay. Hi, Animal Tamers. It's JFL, and I have this new thing that I just created today called Daily News. Okay. So I just came up with this thing one day that I'm actually at pictures of YouTube, and that because I don't really know or whatever, but that actually I came up with this new thing, and also I have two basically daily news inside, okay? So I'm gonna, somebody famous used to be a scammer. Mom, give me a
No, thank you.
Why? I like it so I can find it. Yeah. Dun dun dun. It's what's her name? How do you spell her name?
Who?
Lila Pell.
Lilac Petal.
Yeah, Lilac Petal. Dun dun dun. She used to be a scammer. And it says it right here, saying I used to be a scammer. Animal Jam story time. And now she made such a better life choice and said, I'm not going to scam anymore. And now she's saying it. Damn. That's one of a big secret I just revealed today. I'm gonna wait. No. Wait. So gonna get the title here and
Oh, so they only have a medium size.
Oh,
They don't have large.
everything goes wrong to me. I'm just kidding. Capture. I just do that all the time. Okay, now after that. So yeah, that's one of the daily news. Wait, I need to keep that there so I spell her name. And I have another daily news for you guys. This is really exciting. It's so cool, and I just made it up actually. I was thinking something we could have President of AJ, and I know who's that? Who the heck is that? I don't know, and nobody's running or anything, but you could just vote for people I like. But these are the people you can vote for. You can vote for Woot Moo. Oh, so weird. I'm still gonna use that. Nobody's me, woman. I mean, Woot Moo. Yeah. Sorry. Woot Moo. Yeah, Woot Moo. I think you know who this one is. Pari! I thought I was just gonna. Is he on? Last time I saw him, he had something. I said, buddy me! Oh, I'm Pakistan. Oh, I hate when that happens. I really want to see a Pari. Okay, sorry about okay. A Pari! No, I need to speak to him. So close. Teeny tiny Okay. No, see! Did you see that crown? See! No! I think the Pari's on. No! I can't tell when it's on. See the crown? Last time I checked. Oh, now it's full! Oh my. What? Oh, no! Mama, something's not working. Go to the den! Unlock your den, Pari! Lock your den. I love it when he locks his den, then he unlocks it again. Then I can get him because I'm so happy. Yeah, vote for a Pari or Lila. Lilica, Petal, or Julian 2. I really don't want to exit this. Sorry. Julian 2, yeah. Yeah, wait, maybe this video can go a little longer because I might actually see him. And then I might do my video and I go like viral. How'd she get that hat? That's cute. Man, I'm so close. Help me. Hello from here. I want that Hello sweater. I'm actually on the floor. I'm so sad. Hugs rocks. Who the heck is that? Apari! I think Apari's on. That's a good thing. Oh no. Chase! Hey! Gift me! If I actually get to write him, I'll be so happy. Gift me, please! No! It's too full! No! Be my buddy! It's nice! Why can't you resist? Trade items for Cammy's frog. Oh, that's actually some daily news too. Cammy's frog was actually made because one of the owners of Animal Jam had a daughter named Cammy's. She had a frog. Well, not a pet frog. Like colorful frog. And then one day, he took it off adventures. I do not know why. And then it's a glitched item. And that's what, that item is really rare. And so I had a founder's hat, but my brother made me trade it. No. Literally, his den is always full. Always full. Always. Except the time I just went. No, Apari. I need to do this apart. Please don't let me down. Okay, this is probably, I'm never gonna say a party. So, I'm just gonna say bye to this video, and thanks so much for Daily News. Please spread this around for president, okay? So, please, yeah, just please. Bye, thank you so much for watching.